original. I bought it new in 1984, got delivery in January of 1985. It's got the same block that's been massaged a little bit, same transmission. It's a stock truck that I used to pull trailers with. It just got refreshed. The showman did all the work.
It's been pretty much a frame off restoration, frame, all new suspension, upgraded the brakes, all stainless line, did it all ourselves. Did the motor work, he funded.
My truck. He also custom made the radiator reservoir, windshield reservoir out of aluminum. So other than that, when I bought it, it was made to pull in trailers. I bought it specifically for that purpose, and it's only got 85,000 original miles on it. Make sure you have a safe vehicle that's almost bulletproof. Get rid of all the rubber bushings, get your thing, make it dependable.
Make a plan and be ready to change it.
Yeah, that works too.
Because there's going to be parts that you're not going to be able to find, or your ideas might not necessarily pan out. Start putting things together, you might change your mind. So be willing to wiggle, with some things.